Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Parrikar meets Prime Minister Modi, says no discussion held on his elevation as Union Cabinet Minister, insists that only Goa issues discussed with Prime Minister. No capable successor to Parrikar in Goa, BJP MLAs feel Goa needs Parrikar. BJP insiders breathe a sigh of relief as CM heads back to Goa. Parrikar expressed his displeasure over going to centre. He was unwilling, even hinted publicly in last few days. Prudent special report. Mines and Geology Department renews 13 mining leases, 4 of VM Salgaonkar, 2 of Famento and 1 each of Seza Goa, Chaugule, Rajaram Bandekar, Kunde Gharse, Agarwal, Parulekar and Lito Ferrao. And FC Goa face Kerala Blasters in Kochi on Thursday. Zico's boy chased first away victory in Indian Super League. Now the news in detail. Goa CM Manohar Parrikar has cleared that his meeting with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has nothing to do with his elevation in Union Cabinet as Defence Minister. He clearly denied having any discussion on the matter with the Prime Minister. He said only issues related to Goa were discussed and the outcome is positive. Wednesday witnessed hectic political activities as news of CM being inducted in the Modi Cabinet made rounds in the Panji as well as New Delhi.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar landed in Delhi on Wednesday evening. He met BJP Chief Amit Shah. He was accompanied by BJP President Vinay Tendulkar and BJP's Organising Secretary Satish Dhon. He met Prime Minister Narendra Modi later in the evening. However, after the meet, CM ruled out of any proposal of being inducted as Defence Minister in Modi Cabinet.
कुछ बात नहीं हुई मेरी बात केवल गोवा के बारे में जो जिसके लिए मैंने
Sir, what brought you to Delhi?
मैं मुलाकात मांगा रिक्वेस्ट की थी वो जो इश्यूज थे गोवा के एक ऑफिसर्स और दूसरे वो चर्चा की उसके सिवा कुछ बात
तो क्या पता भविष्य में गोवा के सीएम के रूप में रहेंगे या फिर
हाँ ऑब्वियसली
सर ये मन की बात है
Speculation that you might come to Delhi in a different role in the Union Cabinet.
I said I have not discussed or he has not discussed anything about that with me. So as of now the issue is there. The news is there. My issues about Goa's requirement I discussed with him. That he has agreed.
We spoke with some of the close associates of CM. They cleared some of the points. CM not ready to take up Union Cabinet berth. CM wants to stay back in Goa to serve state as CM. CM wants to complete his tenure and then think about his future. But national BJP and RSS leaders believe that Parrikar should take up the responsibilities. They say Modi wants CM Parrikar to be part of Union Cabinet and party camp wants Parrikar to take up the charge. Importantly, close associates of Parrikar said that he had no intentions to go to Delhi. Sources also said that Parrikar will not accept the proposal and leave his position halfway. And that is exactly what happened in the evening. Bureau Report, Prudent.
No capable successor to Parrikar in Goa if Parrikar joins the Union Ministry. There is no leader who can replace him in Goa. BJP MLAs feel Goa needs Parrikar. BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar says Parrikar has no capable successor. Speaker Rajendra Arlikar endorsed this view. Finally, all these leaders breathed a sigh of relief after Parrikar cleared that Modi had no such discussions with him.
मनोहर पर्रीकराक केंद्रान मंत्रीपद घेवपाची ऑफर आहा पार्टी पण अजून किने पावला
आमकां अजून तरी कांयच खबर ना
ऑफिशियली कांयच कम्युनिकेशन स्टेट पार्टीकडे जाल्लें ना
ना ना ना
आनी तशें प्रपोजल आयज फाल्यां येयलें पर्रीकरां खातीर केंद्रांत व्हरपाचें तांकां जाल्यार तुमचो स्टँड कितें आसतलो
येता तेन्ना पळोवया न्ही
विल यू डिनाय म्हणजे धाडपाक अपोज करतले
ना येता तेन्ना आमी सांगता कितें आसल्यार
ओके
अजून तरी कांयच येना
जर मनोहर पर्रीकर दिल्लीची जबाबदारी घेवन दिल्ली वयता जाल्यार गोंयान तुमचे कडेन लिडर आहा स्टेट सांबाळपाक सीएम पद सांबाळपाक?
कशें आसता अजून जर कसली खबरी आसा ह्यो सगळे
हम्म.
कारण कितें जालें आशिल्लें ताचो विचार निश्चितपणे मागीर जातलो कितें आसत जाल्यार तशें कितें.
म्हाका तातूंत व्हडलें कांय सांगपाचें ना खरें म्हणजे, कारण हो पॉलिटिकल डिसिजन आसता. केंद्रांतलें सरकार आमचो नरेंद्र मोदी हांचें जें सरकार आसा त्या सरकारान तांकां जर दिसलें एखादो मनीस जाय जाल्यार तो अवश्य तांकां घेवपाक जाय, कारण एकंदरीत देशाक लागणारी गरज बिरज अशें म्हणून. पण मनोहर पर्रीकरा सारको मनीस हो गोंयानूय जाय हाजी आमकां खूब प्रकर्शन जाणीव आसा.
गोंयचो खंयचोय बीजेपीचो कार्यकर्तो हो कसलीय जबाबदारी दिल्ली घेवपाक तयार आसा. वॉट अबाउट यू? आय हॅव बीन डुईंग दीस न्ही ओवर द इयर. हांव पक्षाचो कार्यकर्तो वाड्या वयलो म्हणून काम केलां. तो हांव स्टेटीचो अध्यक्षय जाला, 2 फावटी अध्यक्ष.
तुमकां कितें दिसता कोण जावचो
जायते पक्ष करतलो.
But this is not a sudden development. If we listen to the CM himself expressing his views on various forums, we get the sense that he doesn't want to part with the state politics and the CM's post, at least for now. It seems that constant deliberations on the matter have resulted in he expressing his views on number of occasions. He may not be interested, but the scenario at the centre is pressing for his presence in Delhi.
काढप हे राष्ट्राच्या हिताच्या दृष्टीन ना. जे कोण नेवीक कार्ड म्हणून सांगता पळय दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टँड. आय एम नॉट एक्युजिंग देम, बट दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टँड इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ अ नेवल बेस देर. If you want, some of them say that you shift it to Karwar. If you want to shift it to Karwar, even if it is agreed in principle, it will take 15 years, 10 to 15 years, and on the top of it, around 10 to 15,000 crores.
This is how CM Parrikar is shielding the naval base in Goa and yet getting across his point for another airport. CM is tipped off to take up the job of the defense minister at the centre. Is he preparing for the role? And here is Parrikar's dilemma. A strong feeling that he has to serve the people of Goa who voted him to run the state for 5 years and probably had a plan that he would continue till the BJP government gets elected next time. He often speaks out his mind with the media himself without a questioning on it.
इतली हांव विनंती करता की 5 वर्सांनी तुम्ही दिला, 5 वर्सांनी रिपोर्ट कार्ड तयार करा. मागीर तुमकां लक्षात येतलें की ह्या सरकाराक परत हाडल्याशिवाय पर्याय ना. येना म्हणल्या पळय ती बीजेपीची 20 लिस्ट 5 वर्सांची आहा. हांव परत सांगता आमी त्या 20 लिस्टा पेक्षा 10 पटीन चड घेवन दाखयता.
But finally, it's a call from his cadre in New Delhi. The Prime Minister Modi wants Parrikar to join his central team. It becomes a difficult proposal to refuse when the man in command himself offers you the third most important job in the country. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Mines and Geology Department has finally renewed 13 mining leases. Directorate of Mines and Geology has issued renewal order for 13 mining leases. 4 of VM Salgaonkar, 2 of Fomento and 1 each of Sezagoa, Chaugule, Rajaram Bandekar, Kunda Gharse, Agarwal, Parulekar and Lito Ferrao. Director Prasanna Acharya said that renewal of mining leases does not give clean chit to any mining company. Meanwhile, Enforcement Directorate issued summons to former director Radha Timlo of Timlo Private Limited and Timlo Enterprises in alleged illegal mining case. They asked her to be present on 18th November before the ED investigation team. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.